just like you said, it's not so important, but when in the Bhagavatam, in 2nd canto, 6th chapter, 28th shloka, there very clearly Prabhupada says that if you want to go by, attain Tripada Vibhuti or the spiritual world, without getting detached from sex life, it is impossible to even approach, is what it clearly says, no Prabhu?
Correct.
It is most important thing to get away from it also, it says.
Get away from the material, in this world, material sex in this world. We have to get away. It is a sense gratification. Sense gratification means, in this material world, sex is a sense gratification. It's a biophysical, psychological effect. It is not a spiritual pleasure in this material world. But it is believed to be spiritual conjugation pleasure. But in reality, it is an artificial pleasure from the standard of spiritual. So a spiritualist does not engage in imitation. Just like if you know what is real cricket, if I give you some toys, cricket, ball, this, everything, I don't want this. I want to play real cricket, you will say. Is it not? In the same way, yogis, bhakti yogis, they don't want to play this cookie games. All these games I don't want to play. Getting attracted, running after sense and sense gratification means immediately you should tell others, hey, I'm running after this stupid game. I don't know, I want the real thing. Whatever it is, here it is a perverted this thing. In what form, in what shape, this is all there in the spiritual world, I can't even conceive. But I want that. So therefore, one has to, vairagya, detachment, has to develop for the illusion. Now, vairagya has to develop for the illusion in order to understand the pure conception of all these things. You cannot have this, because this is a perverted perception that we are having of sex, of conjugal relationship. Everything is perverted. For the simple reason that it's self-centered. So that self-centeredness has to go, purification has to happen, which means that one has to get free from this game, pleasure games. I want real pleasure of serving the Lord. So it's a fact that one has to completely become rid of these things. How one becomes rid of these things, I told you. Simply if somebody follows brahmacharya, all his past habits, all this thing, you don't use that structure, it will become weak. Now it will become weak, then what survives? The question comes. Where do I give positive training? You don't need to give positive training because the soul knows. If the soul is awakened, the soul already knows. Just like you don't need to teach a child how to walk. It already knows how to walk. So in the same way, we need to awaken our consciousness. So fundamentally, basically, we have to awaken our Krishna consciousness by association with Krishna, association with the holy name. We awaken our Krishna consciousness. All these small problems, all these small issues, self-control, this thing, everything will be taken care of.